Hello friends, and a very warm welcome to this course on mastering Salesforce APIs. I want to thank you for your trust in us, and for joining this course. Learning APIs is a great choice. In today's world, systems and applications cannot work in isolation. They need to interact with each other, and exchange information to bring efficiency to an organization's operations. Whether you are an absolute beginner or have some experience with it, this course will arm you with the knowledge and skills that you need to know to master Salesforce APIs. And though the focus of this course is on learning Salesforce APIs, do note that at the end of this course, you will also be able to figure out how to work with any API, as the fundamentals behind using APIs remain the same. Let's first start with an introduction about the master trainer for this course. This training has been designed and created by Ashish Agarwal. Ashish has got 25 years of experience in information technology and about 12 plus years of experience in working on Salesforce technologies. He is based in Singapore and an independent Salesforce architect, trainer and blogger. Ashish has 26 certifications, 2 accredited professional certificates and 1000 plus trailhead badges. He has also worked with Salesforce in Singapore as a senior program architect for a little over 4 years. Ashish regularly blogs at URL asagarwal.com, tweet with Twitter handle @asagarwal and is also available on LinkedIn at the URL mentioned here. Before we start learning, let's go over the course outline to understand how this course is organized, so that you know what to expect. We will kick off with Module 1, where we will cover the fundamentals of an API. This will cover what is an API and why do we need it. Then we will understand 3 important concepts of APIs, and finally we will go over the different APIs that Salesforce provides, and understand the use case for each of those. In the second module we will set up our environment and tools to work with APIs. This will include signing up for a new developer org, setting my domain in Salesforce, getting security token, and creating connected app. We will also be installing an application called Postman on our PC, and then learn some of the basics of Postman. Module 3 is where the action will start. We are going to learn how to make REST API calls to Salesforce. We will start with learning how to connect to Salesforce through API and then how to query, create, update and delete records. In Module 4, we are going to dive deep and look at some of the advanced REST APIs that Salesforce provides. This will include Composite API, Composite Graph, Composite Batch, S-Object Tree and S-Object Collections. We will also understand the differences among these APIs and when to use which API. We are going to switch gears in Module 5 and take a look at the SOAP API. Similar to what we will do in REST API, we will take a look at how to use SOAP API to query, create, update and delete records. Then in Module 6, we will take a look at how to work with Metadata API. Here we are going to learn how to query, create, update and delete metadata in Salesforce. Finally in Module 7, we will show you some of the advanced features of Postman so that working with APIs becomes easier. Now let's take a look at how to access the course and the features of the course site. To access the course, navigate to courses.asagrawal.com. Click on Login. Provide your email address and password and log in to the site. Click on Mastering Salesforce APIs. You will be taken to course homepage, where all the modules are neatly laid out. Click on the Start from the first module and work your way down. We'll be covering different aspects of Salesforce APIs in different modules that build on the previous ones. So it is highly recommended that you complete these in the order that we have laid out here. When viewing a module, you can set a couple of options as default for subsequent access. For example, you can autoplay the video when you navigate to a module, mark the module to completed automatically when you have finished watching the video, and also set the playback speed. Playing back videos at a faster speed is something that I personally follow to speed up my learning. Adjust these settings as per your preference. Below each video you are going to find a link to download the PDF document, and then underneath that you are going to see a discussion box. If you have any questions, comments, feedback or suggestions on the module or need any assistance, please enter that here, and we'll respond to you as soon as we can. The left sidebar will show you the percentage complete, and the sections for navigation. Once you have completed the module, click on Complete and Continue. This will update your progress for you to keep track of. To manage your notification settings or to log out of the course, click on the home icon on the top left corner. Click on your image on the top right corner and click Edit Profile. You can manage your notification settings under Edit Profile. Do turn on the notifications to receive an email when someone responds to your comments, or comments on a thread that you have commented in. To log out of the course, click on Log Out. You can now access this training, download the PDFs and ask questions at your own convenience. Next, we will take a look at how this training is structured. So at the beginning of each module we'll walk you through the objectives of that module. Then, where applicable, we'll give you a business requirement and a use case that we'll be working on. This will not only help you understand the technical aspects of that topic but will also give you the business context. We will also show you the sample of the end state of what we'll be building. So in other words, we'll begin with the end in mind. This will be followed by a demo of how to do it. And whatever steps we will show you in the demo, it will be available to you in downloadable PDF files. These files will contain step-by-step instructions with screenshots so that you can follow it easily. In the end, we'll do a quick recap of what we learned in that module. And then it will be time for you to do your lab exercises. We will tell you what you are supposed to accomplish, and you can follow the PDF to complete these exercises. But we will not leave your hand there. In every module you'll find a discussion area towards the bottom of the screen, where you can ask questions related to that module. You can also share your comments, feedback or suggestions. Please do note that your comments will be visible to all the participants of the training and will facilitate collaborative learning. If you ask us, the best way to get most out of this training will be to complete these lab exercises. And finally, a request. Let's be environment conscious. Please avoid taking print out of the study material if you can. If you have already joined the course, thank you and you're all set to get started now. If you are watching this course as preview and need any information or clarification, please contact us at contact@asagarwal.com.